Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to echo a post in Parler. So let's get started and open Parler mobile application. We'll go to it appears in our feed. That's convenient. Okay, but we'll go to Discover News nonetheless. And let's say we would like to echo this post right there. And to do that, we have to tap on this megaphone icon right there. And as you can see, there are two options right there. And one is to echo with comment, and the other is to just do echo. Echo with comment will be covered in another video. And if you're familiar with Twitter, an echo is just a retweet basically. So we'll just tap on echo. Success. As soon as your Parler is done being processed, we'll send it out into the world. And now if you go to our profile, you can see that we have echoed this post. It even says at the top, echoed by HardReset.Info, which means that we have echoed this post. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.